Audio-Technica ATH-SQ1TW Review. The Audio-Technica ATH-SQ1TW True Wireless Earbuds offer attractive design and performance at an affordable low price. If you are looking for the highest quality earbuds within your budget, these are the ones for you. The ATH-SQ1TW provides a stylish listening experience, while also offering 5.8mm drivers with an IPX4 equivalent splash-proof design and user-friendly features. When taken out of the case, these headphones automatically turn on. When reinserted, they power down and start charging. Once in your ears, a voice will announce their battery level and connection status. A tap on one of the earpieces triggers the voice to state commands such as pause or stop. Additionally, dual connectivity enables you to simultaneously link your laptop and phone. During our testing, the touch control on the earbuds proved effective, allowing music playback, call answering, and volume control. Additionally, a low latency mode can be initiated and cancelled by a single press of the left earpiece, while the hear-through function can be toggled on or off from the right bud. This filter adds external noise without compromising audio quality or speech articulation. The microphone located in each earpiece of the product enables users to adjust the volume of their own voice through a side tone function. Furthermore, the quality and reliability of calls were noted to be high. Google Fast Pair is included, allowing for one-click pairing with Android devices. A full charge provides up to 6.5 hours of use, and the charging case adds 13 hours of more battery power, for a total possible usage time of 19.5 hours. Charging the USB-C charger for 15 minutes will provide an hour of playback. However, there is no wireless charging option. Audio-Technica has not included active noise cancellation or a companion app in the budget space, instead focusing on the basic features which offer impressive levels of passive isolation from the buds. This sensible decision appears to have met the brief of prioritizing these fundamentals and doing them well. The ATH-SQ1TW is an impressive set of headphones, albeit without auto-off wear or detection. The earbuds provide an agile performance with a good musical experience across all frequencies. They offer a classic rock and look in a true wireless package. The design of these earpieces is attractive, with LED Bluetooth connectivity lights illuminating the L and R cutouts in the top corner of each bud so you can easily identify them. To use, just plug them in and twist them to secure them. The Audio-Technica ATH-SQ1TW has a distinctive and minimalist design. It ignores Apple's toothbrush head-shaped earphone style, with its square shape, the triangle within a circle branding, and vibrant accent colors. Our sample is black licorice, but popsicle coloring is also available. The case closes firmly like a suitcase and charges via USB-C. If time is of the essence, a quick 15-minute jolt will give you up to 60 minutes of continuous playback, while a full 2-hour cycle will power the headphones for up to 20 hours, 6.5 hours on the buds and 13.5 hours in total. Overall, the inherent quality of the product should not be underestimated. In a range of AirPods alternatives, Audio-Technica took a different approach, and this could work in their favor. This cost-effective proposition has sonic qualities that no other solution of its kind possesses. If you are looking for that, then this may be the right choice for you.